Hi, it's Marianne, the Frugal Chef. How about we make some chicken fajitas for lunch today? These are so delish. Let me show you how. For 4 fajitas, you're gonna need 2 chicken breasts that are skinless and boneless, okay? So one whole one, really. And what I want you to do is, I want you to butterfly it. So cut it through the middle and make it thin, okay? And then I want you to cut the thinner meat into long strips, like this. All right? So I'm going to do that with this breast. I already did it with the other one. And we're going to marinate it so that we can cook it. Now, I'm going to leave this marinating overnight. But you don't have to. You can marinate these for, a minimum of 2 hours. But it doesn't have to be overnight. I'm just going to get ahead of myself and have them marinated because then it'll be a cinch to put them, to get them together, okay? Okay, so I'm going to put all these chicken strips in a Ziploc bag and we'll get our marinade going here. And then we'll just mix it all well in the bag and put it in the fridge. Okay, I'm going to whisk about a 1/4 cup of olive oil with the juice of a large lemon in here. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of salt, I'll say. And I'm gonna add just about half a bunch of cilantro chopped and 2 scallions chopped, and also a jalapeno which I seeded, and I took the white membrane out and I chopped. Okay. I'm also gonna add 3 garlic cloves which I just chopped coarsely. Okay. So just mix that and put it in your bag with your chicken. Super. I'm just going to mix that really well in there. Want the whole thing to get nicely coated. And I'm going to wrap it, seal it, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator until tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll make our fajitas, okay? See you tomorrow. First thing we're going to do is cook our vegetables, okay? I have half a large yellow onion here which I sliced, and I have some bell pepper strips here. I cut a little bit of green, a little bit of yellow, and a little bit of red, just for color. It doesn't really matter. You can have 1 green bell pepper and just do it all green, or all red, whatever. I just happen to have these left over from a paella I made, and so here we go. Now I can make a nice colorful fajita. So we're just going to cook this for a few minutes. I want to saute this till the veggies are cooked through but still crisp, okay? So I am going to season them with some salt and some pepper. Alright, these have cooked for about 5 minutes, so I'm just going to put them aside. They're nice and crisp still, which is what I want, okay? So I'm going to set these aside. I went ahead and took the chicken out of the marinade, so now we're going to cook that. Just going to add a little oil in here, and I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken. There's little pieces of the cilantro and the green onion that it marinated in. No worries. That's fine, it'll just add to our flavor. While this is cooking, I want you to wrap up your tortillas in some aluminum foil and put them in the oven at 350, okay? I'm going to use corn tortillas, but if you prefer to use flour tortillas, that's fine. Just wrap them and heat them so that they'll be ready once this is all cooked and we can just assemble our fajitas. This is gonna cook fairly fast because you know it's not very thick. I'm gonna go ahead and discard this liquid here. I want my chicken to brown. I don't want it to boil in here, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna season this with a little salt and some pepper. Okay, this chicken is cooked. It's nicely browned on some sides here. It'll brown on the other while we add this. I'm gonna go ahead and bring back the peppers and the onions. And I'm gonna add a small tomato which I diced. Just to mix this. Of course I could have used beef for this, shrimp even. Okay, I just wanted to make chicken today. This is nice and healthy actually. You know, it's just, the marinade is citric and just chicken breast. There's not a lot of fat in this. And this, my friends, is done. So I'm just gonna turn it off and now we'll put it into our tortillas. Yum! Let's put these together. I'm gonna use 2 tortillas per fajita, okay? Because I'm using corn and they get really soft when they're warm, okay? We're gonna go ahead and put some chicken and vegetables in the middle. Do the same here. Oh, these are amazing. Just put a little color in here. Add a little more chicken here. There we go. Okay, I'm just gonna roll these like that. I'm gonna serve these with some sour cream on the side with some cilantro like this. You could also put guacamole on it if you wanted to, okay? I don't. These are great. I'm gonna eat these for lunch now. My friends, bon appetit from thefrugalchef.com. Make sure you come and visit us. We have all kinds of recipes that are not in video form. Take care of yourselves, eat well without going broke, and I will see you soon.